Struggling to find where Klaviyo stores its sign-up form options? In just 3 minutes, you'll publish your first form and start capturing leads. Follow these 10 simple clicks to navigate from your dashboard, pick a template, assign a list, and go live. No technical skills required. To get started, click on Website to open the Website section in Klaviyo. Then click on Sign Up Forms to see your existing forms. Now click Create Form to start building a new one. Next, select a template that you'd like to use for your form. After that, type in a name for your form in the Name field. Now, click on the Email Subscriber List dropdown to choose your list. Then click on Email List from the drop-down options. Finally, click Create Form to generate your form. Once done, click on Publish or Schedule to set your form's live status. Then, simply click Publish Now to make it live immediately. Great job! You're all set. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.